Hi guys, Kathy here from Smart Home Choice, coming to you from the city of Oshawa, where I came across this amazing investment opportunity that I wanted to share with you all. Right behind me here is a fully detached bungalow home, 2 units, with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom on the main floor, and 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom and a kitchen with a separate walkout and a basement unit. So the good thing too about this home is that both the upper and lower level units actually have their own laundry, so you wouldn't even have to put an extra one in. Also, it has an upgraded kitchen and bathroom, as well as newer windows, roof and furnace, so it's basically in a move-in ready condition. A lot of our investors do own properties in Oshawa with amazing returns. So for something like this, you'd be looking at about $1,750 for the main floor and around $1,250 give or take for the basement unit, which is really great numbers. This house just came on the market a few days ago, and I know it's not going to last long. So if you do want any more information or want to check it out, just click the link below and we'll be happy to help you. Anyway, that's all for now. Hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to check out our website too at smarthomechoice.ca for all of our upcoming events. Bye!